Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get life in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Get life by using gold bars, but also you can get it for free. How? Let's see how you can get it. You can tap on the life button or heart icon. You can see, tap on it. Here you can see the buy it using gold bars as well, like this. With the 4 gold bars you can buy 1 life. 69 gold bar you can buy for 6 hours. If you are willing to spend any gold bar, you can do so. Lives will be fulfilled, restored after unlimited life expires. And over here at the bottom you can see the option of ask friend. Tap on it. Here you can see I have friends. I'll ask all of them, so check all. And here you can see the red pop-up of ask for life at the tap on it. Then there you go, they'll send you life. Over here in the letter icon you can see someone has sent me life, so tap on tick to get the life. Tap on accept then after, and there you go, you have got 1 more life. Like this you'll get more lives. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.